Good morning, students. Today we are going to see interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives means those adjectives used to ask questions, question words. They are called as interrogative adjectives. Let us see. Like for example, we have which, what, whose. Okay, these words which are used to ask questions are called as interrogative adjective. So see the example, which book shall you buy? Which, this is an interrogative adjective. Then whose son is he? Whose? Then what poem do you like? What? These are all interrogative adjectives. So whatever explanation. Let us move to the next one, that is exclamatory adjectives. So the next one is exclamatory adjectives. This is these type of exclamatory sentence words like this. What beauty, what a story, right? These type of exclamatory in the sense expressing strong emotions. So you have such exclamatory adjectives over here wherein you are expressing in a strong manner. What beauty, what a story, right? So these type of adjectives are called as exclamatory adjectives. Next, let us move to the possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives indicates possession, ownership. That is what it shows. My, okay, my, our, your, his, these words, her, its, their. Okay, these are all possessive adjectives. So you have sentences like this. So now you can see over here, they are our friends. Okay, our friends. So these friends are ours, isn't it? So please give me my book. Okay, so same way, ownership it is showing. Ownership, it belongs to me, isn't it? Book belongs to me. Friends are ours. Okay, so these type of words are called as possessive adjective. Indicates possession, where it indicates possession. Then let us move to the next. Now next what you have over here is proper adjectives. Proper adjectives you have to always, like how proper nouns you have to begin it with capital letters only. Okay, so that is the rule. So proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Okay, from proper nouns, like the proper nouns. From there it is developed proper adjectives. Okay, so here there are many Chinese restaurants. Chinese. So these names should begin with capital letter. Chinese restaurants in India. There are many Chinese restaurants in India. So you have to begin these proper adjectives with capital letter. So please remember that. Next is emphasizing adjectives. So the next one is emphasizing adjectives. These are used to give stress, to give a stress on a noun. Emphasizing adjectives are used to give a stress on noun. Mind your own business. So to give a stress to business, we are using this emphasizing adjective, own. Got it? So this is what is called as own, very actual. Okay, these type of words are called as emphasizing adjectives. Now next we'll see formation of adjectives, how adjectives are formed, formation of adjectives. Formation of adjectives. Adjectives are formed, most of the time they are formed from nouns. Sometimes they are formed from verbs, and at times they are formed from adjectives. Let us see. So let us see the adjectives formed from noun. Boy, you have boyish, isn't it? Boyish. Shame. These are nouns. These are all nouns formed from nouns. When they are formed to adjective, you have, see, boyish. Shame, I have wrote it over here. Shame, you have shameless. 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 Shame, shameless. Sense, senseless. Sense formed from a noun, it becomes senseless. Senseless. Then you have dirt, which becomes dirty. Dirt. Dirt. Dirty. Dirty. This is noun, this is adjective. This you have to keep in mind. Then courage. Courage, it becomes courageous. Then you have glory. Glory becomes glorious. Glorious. Then you have silk. Silk, which becomes silken. Gold. and so on. Gold becomes golden. Okay, these are all formed from nouns. These are all formed from nouns. Then you have adjectives which are formed from verbs. Okay, these are verbs formed from verbs. For example, you have talk. Talk is a verb, isn't it? The adjective of talk is talkative. Talkative. Okay, you have talkative. Then you have move. Move again is a verb. This formed adjective is movable. Okay, movable. Then some adjectives formed from adjectives. Okay, they are adjectives which are formed from adjectives, isn't it? So again, it is like black. You have black. Black is an adjective. Black is an adjective. Okay, and you have the adjective of it which is formed from this blackish. This is also adjective. So adjective formed from adjective. Adjective formed from adjective. Then you have white, whitish, you know that. Sick. You have sickly. Then you have tragic. It's an adjective. And you have tragical. So these are adjectives which are formed from adjectives. The other one which I have told you right now is from verb. Okay, adjectives formed from verb. Then the previous one is adjective formed from nouns. So these are the formation of adjectives. These are the various formation of adjectives.